Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world. And today we got some freebies for you. This is not Free Watch Face Tuesday. This is going to be on the home page in the Good Manager store. Make sure you go download right after the video. So stay tuned. Let's check these watch faces out. Guys, welcome back for another video, and today we got some watch faces for you all to check out. They're free for the taking in the Good Manager store for a limited time only. So make sure after the video you go download right away. Do not waste time. All right, you all, let's check out these couple of watch faces that are free in the Good Manager store. The first one is called JMO. It's named Analog 1F. Yep. Analog 1F, right? But it's nice. I like it. It's got a nice sporty look. Now, even in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, but it's going to be lit up in red, which is very different for an always on display, but I thought it was pretty nice. Now, once the watch face is on, as you can see, you get a few dials. One is going to be for the month. You get one to let you know what day it is. And also you get a 24-hour time. You get a second hand, and you get a very unique hour and minute hand as well. Considering that it is free, this is not a bad watch face, right? And if I tap here, I can customize the color. That one looks pretty nice. It's got a few and all that you can change to. Not many, but enough. And that's it. And that's all. Let's check out watch face number two. Now, number two is nice. I'm really liking this. Maybe I'm liking the color, but I'm telling you, the background really brings everything together. Now, the name of the watch face is called Analog 2F. In the always on mode, it's going to light up in a unique way. It's going to light up orange. When the watch face is on, it does have a nice look. I like the layout of everything. I even like the look of the minute and the hour hand. You got a second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. Your dials are going to give you information on your date, your month, and your day. This is not a bad looking watch face at all, considering that it's free. It is not interactive at all. What you see is what you get. But remember, this watch face is free. Go ahead, download it in the Good Manager store on the home page. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.